I want to share how I came up with the idea for this course. I started designing sprinkler systems back in 1999 for a small fire sprinkler contractor, using AutoCAD LT for plans and Haas for hydraulic calculations. And with just a high school drafting background, I dove headfirst into the fire sprinkler world. Over the years, I've developed a unique training method, starting with residential systems, NFPA 13D specifically, and then moving to more complex systems, NFPA 13R, then NFPA 13 residential systems before moving into NFPA 13 commercial systems. This step-by-step approach builds a solid foundation before tackling advanced concepts. I've been creating YouTube videos and training people using practice files and one-on-one sessions. I've developed a comprehensive template that simplifies the design process, which is included with the course. The course is designed to be completed over 8 weeks, but it can be done faster with pre-recorded lessons. It includes practice files, additional content based on my training experience, and live Q&A sessions. We offer 3 different packages. At the basic level, this includes my drawing template, the practice files so that you can work along with my videos, pre-recorded content for the 8-week course, and then that also includes 1 live question and answer session with me. Our middle package, next step up, that adds weekly Q&A Zoom sessions. So that would be during the 8-week course. Every week there will be a Q&A session with me. And then that middle package also includes direct one-on-one training with my technicians as well. And then it also has a heavily discounted rate on one-on-one consulting with me while you're in the boot camp. And then if we move up to the VIP package, you're going to have extended one-on-one training with my technicians. In addition to that, you will also receive included in the package one-on-one time with me. And then also we'll have access to our mastermind group with my team and other VIP members. Now the purpose of the mastermind group is to help you grow your business or personal brand and to help brainstorm solutions to problems that you've been facing as a professional in the industry. The VIP package also includes additional content for NFPA 13R systems and a specialized NFPA 13R template. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I look forward to working with you, and thanks for listening.